Hello friends, in this video we are going to create new customer in Magento 2 via REST APIs. So let's begin with it. In the previous video, I have already created a new file that is called artproduct.php. I have just commented and the API just retrieving that is giving us the products. Now we are going to create the post API. Okay, so let's adding the code over here. I'm just replacing this code I have already register function. We need to add some dependencies over there. I've added dependencies first, page factory logger, JSON factory, customer session and all. After that, we have new this section, parent custom. Let me upload this. Okay, after that, I need to write the code like basic what is that creating with this. Now let's password, last name, first name, customer ID, whether the account is created or not. Let me put all this code over here and I will explain you each and everything. Okay, now the whole code is written over here and let me check. This is this is for creating the JSON factory. Like if you want the response, you need to use this customer session whether the customer is logged in or not. If it is logged in, then it not able to create the account. If it is not logged in, then we need to create an account. So the password field we required, password confirmation, first name, last name, email, password. Okay, so these kind of fields we need to post and then we get the respective results. So let's compile all the code and check how if the user is registered or not. So let's go to the directory. Test Magento, I have the directory. Now run the commands. Let's first of all decompile the code. It's compiling the code. Hardly takes 1 or 2 minutes. Let me check whether all the code is correct or not. If I'm adding helper, then it will just throw the error. PSR Magento framework. Yeah, nothing it is there. Okay. Now check. Let's make the variables for now. That is the post API, and let's put the body on the form data. That is first underscore name, first underscore name, last underscore name, email, password, confirmation underscore pass confirmation underscore password. I will put test. I will put test one, email testing the 4 at the rate gmail.com, password 123456789, confirm 123456789. Okay, this I have already make this one. Let's make the new command, that is just paste another command, upgrade. After again that we have the deploy command and permissions. Upgrade. Now after that there is a last command. Let's understand the code. Here I have just this request get params, basically get the params from the request body, get body params for the post body params. Okay, if you want to post in like JSON format and all, post password post. So we are using the body param post and everything. So this is password set confirm password, and this is simple code. And this customer session, it will generate the customer session, and account activated data will be set. And there is also a one mail, I think, send a new account email function. What is it is basically sent email to that registered person. So basically set new account function is used for that one. Okay, so whatever the email template it is set, it is definite, it will send that email template to that registered customer. Let's check whether we are now we are done with it. Now the last commands we would run. Now it's done. Let's hit the API. What response we are getting? If we're getting error or not? It says 500 error. So we need to check why 500 error is coming. Whether I need to send it form data. Let's check whether it is going to send in form data. It says 500 error. We need to check whether we have the errors. So let's start with this request JSON body, this customer session get, if it is not set, then print that params we get the body or not. Print underscore r dollar USD post. Let's print whether the data is coming or not. Mm, yeah, we have printed this. Let's print whether this it is coming or not. So the data is not printed. Let's make the die with this braces. So it's still not there in that case. So let's print, let's put die in the first case. It's there. First case it is getting. Okay. So now put this part. Good part is this customer session is logged in. Let's check whether it is there or not. It is there. Means that it is coming into that. Okay, so means the post. Let's make it the post. Okay, so let's check whether it is get body params. Maybe it is JSON. So let's put the JSON format over here and check. I'm just putting this in a raw. At- Let's create this one. First name, last name, email. Let's make password. Confirm password. It's gonna be string I. Okay. Let's check whether it is coming or not. It still says 500 error. Post we are not getting. Let's check params. Params. So if it is not working, let's move to the body URL. If it is coming, still not coming. So means that this request param we are not getting. The request get params. This function is not working because rest part will not work. So params is not working. What? Let me check what we have input. Sim controller, API controller, and our product is there. The request part is not functioning at that moment. This post API and form data, what it is printing, it's nothing printing. Why it's at least this gonna be printing. Let's check term by term. What's the error exactly? The issues with that one. Now this is coming, so params are printing. If make it post, then we are going to get all the things, I guess. Let me check with this post. So now this data is coming: first name, last name, email, password, and confirm password. Okay, so let's comment this. Let's comment this, and let's begin with the API part. Let's check whether the API is generated or not. Notice undefined index password confirmation. Password confirmation. So it's basically confirmation password. Okay. Now going to send it, and what we get, unable to send email error. So means the error, the email has some issues. We haven't set up the SMTP and all. So if I comment this part, so email will not go with this, and we are successfully get that the email. Now it will says email exist. A customer with same email already is, because the previous customer is also already created. So let's change the email, and let's make it 41, and let's create this account activated successfully. Now we are able, our account is successfully. Now let's check in Magento admin, localhost, test Magento admin. We need to check whether this account is done or not. Let's check with the front end domain also. Localhost Magento. Okay, now we are going to log in over here. We have the IDs. Sign in. Email we have. The password 123456789. Now going to sign in. See, I'm logged in. Default message. Let me check whether we have my account. So this is my account. See, I have created the account from the REST API, and the same account I can log in with Magento. Let's check the Magento admin also. We have the account, then definitely we are logged in. So let's confirm at least one time whether it has or not. All customers, all customers. We have test for one, I guess, and previously we have test four. Let's check. Test for one, both accounts are there. Email confirmation means that email is not sending. Okay, so it is confirmed that we are able to create the customer in Magento 2 via REST APIs. So if you have any queries, just let me know and we will update on that. Thank you for watching this video.